Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to tell you how to make money online in USA. Making money online in USA, like in any other country, requires effort, dedication, and often a combination of various strategies. There are some legitimate ways to make money online in the USA. The one way is freelancing. Freelancing offers your skills and expertise on freelance platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. You can provide services in areas like writing, graphic design, web development, digital marketing, and more. Number 2 is online surveys and market research. Participate in online surveys and market research studies offered by companies like Swagbucks, SurveyJunkie, or Windale Research. You can earn cash or gift cards for sharing your opinions. The third is content creation. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast around a topic you can passionate about. Once you build an audience, you can monetize through ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorship, or selling digital products. The fourth way is affiliate marketing. Promote products or services on your website or social media platforms and earn a commission for each sale made your referral links. Amazon Associates is a popular affiliate program. Number 5 is online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can become an online tutor through platforms like VIP Chick Tutors or Voicent. Number 6 is sell products online. You can sell physical or digital products on platforms like eBay, Etsy, or Amazon. Consider dropshipping or creating your own online store. On the 7 is look for remote work. Look for remote work opportunities on websites like remote.co. We work remotely or flex jobs. Many companies offer remote positions that allow you to work from home. Number 8 is stock trading and investment. Invest in stock, bonds, or cryptocurrencies through online brokerage accounts. Be sure to research and understand the risk involved. On the number 9 is online gaming and esports. If you are skilled at online games, you can make money through streaming on platforms like Twitch, participating in esports tournaments, or creating gaming content on YouTube. On the number 10 is virtual assistants. Offer administrative and support service to businesses and entrepreneurs as a virtual assistants. Websites like Upwork and virtual assistant forums can help you find clients. And the next one is write and self-publish ebooks. If you are a writer, consider self-publishing ebooks and platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. On the number 12 is online course and coaching. Share your knowledge about creating and selling online courses through platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Thinkific. You can also offer coaching services in areas you are skilled in. On the 13 is app and website testing. Sign up to test websites and apps for usability and provide feedback through platforms like user testing. On the 14 is freelance photography or stock photos. If you are a photographer, you can sell your photos on stock photography websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Offer consulting services in your field of expertise, whether it's a business, finance, health, or any other area, through platforms like Charity.fm or Zoom. Remember that success is making money online often takes time and persistence. Be cautious of scams and always do through research before investing time or money into any online opportunity. Also consider the tax implications of your online earnings and consult with a tax professional if necessary. Thank you for watching.